Mine subsidence can strike at any moment. It can be very severe, and it can engulf an entire home and sometimes several homes in an instant. And homeowners are left with little recourse. Their most major investment in their life is suddenly worthless, and it's a financial and psychological damage that it's hard to recover from. And that's why this program is so important, because it provides the necessary funds to prevent this from happening. Without these funds, this work would not be done. The costs are too prohibitive in some cases, or these problems exist in communities that lack economic incentive for redevelopment, and so these problems will just exist for decades. They'll never get fixed, and these abandoned mines will remain a scar for future generations. And they will impact people's abilities to own homes, to raise families, all of these things that are pillars of the American dream. The AML funding supports them.
Our philanthropic work tries to leverage the AML fund, the Abandoned Minelands Fund, and to get important restoration dollars to the very local level. And we feel that this improvement in the environment can result in an improvement in the economy, as well as providing jobs.
The AML program supports companies like mine in hiring people and paying good wages. These are career opportunities for engineers and genealogists. We're a union company, so all of our tradesmen are union craft. These are good paying jobs that can't be outsourced. It's not just about environmental cleanup, which that's the main goal here, and it's a very worthy cause, but it's about supporting the economy also.